Good morning to all. Myself, Arul Soumya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Information Technology. Here we are going to see a topic applying and plotting data science process in data science lifecycle. So this is the overview. Firstly, we have a recap and then content delivery and then real-time example and brainstorming and DT-based delivery and finally the assessment. So here is the recap. So before that, we are going to see the topic. We are going to recap our previous topic, which is an relational database. That is a database. So what matters in data science and why processor matters. So here the extracting knowledge from data and uses statistics, programming and visualization. And then it provides a structured approach and it improves the result accuracy. And then we are entering into our topic, which is the data science process and applying data science. So data science process in the sense, first we have a data definition, that is a problem definition. And then we collect the data, that is the data collection. And then we have a data cleaning. And then we have data exploration and then data modeling. And finally, the visualization and evaluation have done. So next, applying the data science process. Here we are applying the process by following some steps sequentially and then using real world data sets and then using real world data sets by following the steps sequentially. We can get the data in a sequential manner. So here we are going to see a step-by-step procedure. That is, first one is problem definition, which is clearly define the objective and we understand the business or real world needs. And the next one is data collection, which it gathers from databases, files or sensors. And then data cleaning, here it cleans the handle missing values, removes the duplicates and correct the errors. And data exploration, here it understands patterns and trends and uses the statistics and summarizes. And then next one is data modeling. Here we apply the machine learning algorithms and we train the models by using the clean data. And finally, plotting and visualization, which is what is plotting at a graphical representation of data, which we are using a bar chart, line chart, histogram, or scatter plot. These and all we are using. So importance of plotting. So importance of plotting in the sense it is basically it simplifies the complex data and it helps the identify trends and outliers and it improves the communications result and it supports the better decision making. So here is a real-time example. Here a student performance analysis is shown here. Here firstly we collect the student data and clean the missing marks and then we explore the trends. So plotting, here plotting the marks by marks versus attendance and subject wise performance. So through the graph we have see the marks versus attendance percentage and then graph by subject wise performance. And then here we collect the student data and we explore the trends and we plot the marks versus attendance and using this we analyze the student performance by getting all the missing values. So the next one is sales data analysis. That is, we analyze the monthly sales. We plot the revenue trends. We identify the best performing products. So here the graph shows the monthly revenue trend and then best performance products. Here is the brainstorming question. So why visualization is important in data science and can decisions be made without plots and which plot is best for trend analysis? So these are the brainstorming question. Answer your questions in comment section. The next one is problem statement. So here the problem statement is to apply the data science process and visualize the insights using appropriate plots for effective decision making. The empathize part holds stakeholders need simple insights and raw data is difficult to interrupt. So this is the problem the clients facing. So next we going to define part. It needs a structured process and it needs a visual representation of result. And then in ideate we apply this step-by-step process using charts and graphs. And then in prototype we implement data analysis pipeline and create the visual plots. In test, we validate the insights and improve the plots for clarities. And then here are the assessment question, which is it represents data visually using graphs, which plotting and visualization. So which step removes missing and incorrect data? That is data cleaning. So why is plotting important in data science? To identify patterns and trends easily. Thank you.